So good day, saints and lovers of STEM. Progress is slow. This is not Arduino. This is not your mama's Arduino. I was up and running in seconds. I mean, I got to install stuff and move stuff around and all that. But baby steps, we now have the Lily working with the Blink program still, but now written in Python in VS Code Platform IO IDE. So take a look. And the number of steps it took to get this little bit of progress, honey, it was not for the weak. So here we go. And for all y'all who say I need to clean my screens, hush your mouth. I'll clean it in a minute. But here is the Python code. And I modify it. And here's our little blinking LED. Yet again, this time written in Python. Which is what we're going to do the workshop in, because we already have an Arduino Black and Robotics workshop. So I wanted this one to be Python and to use the Raspberry PI Pico W instead of the Arduino. So that little bit of progress, that was major. So now I'm going to hop off and clean my computer screen and see, can I get something else going? That took half the morning, so this is some slow progress. Stay still, wonderful.